Hello, I'm Melissa Lanzarakis with NNTC. It's fairly simple to sign up for a 2-week free trial of YouTube TV. Here's how I did it with my 2008 HDMI compatible but not smart TV. First, I connected my Roku stick through the HDMI port. So if you have a smart TV, the YouTube TV app is likely already preloaded on your TV. But if it's not, you can use a device like Roku stick, an Amazon Fire TV stick, Google Chromecast, or Apple TV Plus. Search for the YouTube TV app and download it. I discovered with Roku you need to download the YouTube app and then you'll scroll down on the side to YouTube TV. YouTube TV is where you can watch live local TV. Next, YouTube TV will ask you to sign in. This is where you'll want to switch to your smartphone or computer to create a YouTube TV account. Follow the instructions on your screen by going to tv.youtube.com/start. Enter the unique code on your screen. Enter your zip code and the channels you'll have available to you come up in the base plan. All your local channels are in the base plan. Since there's a 14-day free trial, you won't get charged when you sign up, but you'll still need to enter your credit card information. Once you've signed up, you can go back to your TV and voila! You're on YouTube TV. Search for your favorite programming like Nebraska football and you'll be able to watch live through YouTube TV. To avoid getting charged, make sure to cancel your account prior to the 14-day trial period. To do so, you'll need to be on your computer or smartphone. Go into the YouTube TV app, check your icon in the top right corner, go to Settings, and then Membership. Click Manage under the base plan, and then click Cancel. And that's how to sign up for the free trial of YouTube TV.